Hello everyone, welcome back to your Illumate Pages. Today we are dive into the profound teachings of The Power of Now by Eckhart Tolle. This book guides us on how to live in the present moment and find inner peace. Let's explore the key concepts that can transform your life by focusing on the now. We can alleviate stress and enhance our well-being. Join us on this enlightening journey. Point 1. The power of now. Tolle begins by explaining the significance of the present moment. He argues that the past and future are mere illusions, and the only true reality is the now. Embracing the present moment is the key to finding peace and happiness. By living in the now, we can free ourselves from the regrets of the past and the anxieties of the future. This shift in perspective can transform our everyday experiences. 3. The ego and the mind. Our mind and the ego are often our biggest obstacles. Tolle explains how the ego creates an identity based on the past and the future, leading to stress and anxiety. Understanding these helps us detach from the ego and life more consciously. By recognizing the ego influence, we can reduce its control over our lives and achieve greater mental clarity. This awareness is crucial for personal growth and inner peace. Point 4. Observing your thoughts. One of the key practices Tolle suggests is to observe your thoughts without judgment. By doing so, you become the watcher, separating your true self from your mind's chatter. This awareness brings a sense of peace and control. Observing our thoughts allow us to see their transit nature and not get lost in them. These practice can significantly reduce stress and enhance our emotional well-being. Point 5. Dissolving pain through presence. Tolle introduces the concept of the pain body, a build-up of past emotional pain. By staying present and not identifying with this pain, we can dissolve it. Presence is a powerful tool for healing. Bringing awareness to our pain body, we prevent it from taking control over our actions and reactions. This process of dissolution can lead to profound emotional freedom and peace. Point 6. Surrender to the now. Acceptance is the central theme in The Power of Now. Tolle advises us to surrender to the present moment, no matter what it brings. This doesn't mean giving up, but rather fully embracing the now to reduce resistance and suffering. Acceptance allows us to flow with life rather than against it, leading to a more harmonious existence. Hence, it can significantly enhance our quality of life. Point 7. Finding inner space. Finding inner space means allowing moments of stillness and silence. This inner space gives rise to creativity, intuition, and deeper understanding. It's about finding the calm amidst chaos. Cultivating inner peace, we become more attuned to our true selves and the present moment. This practice can lead to a more balanced and fulfilling life. Point 8. Relationships and presence. Tolle discusses how being present can transform our relationship. When we bring presence into our interactions, we connect more deeply and authentically with others, fostering healthier and more meaningful relationships. Presence allows us to listen more attentively and respond more compassionately. These can strengthen our connections and improve our overall social dynamics. Accepting and letting go. Letting go of the need to control and accepting what is can significantly reduce stress. Tolle teaches that acceptance is a path to inner freedom. It allows us to live more fully and joyfully in the present moment by releasing our attachments to specific outcomes. We can experience a greater sense of peace. This practice helps us navigate life's challenges with grace and resilience. Point 10. Living in the now. The power of now is a guide to living a more fulfilling life by embracing the present. Mindfulness, observing our thoughts, and surrendering to what is, we can find true peace and happiness. Tolle teaching reminds us to that life unfolds in the present moment, and that is where our true power lies. Incorporating this principle can lead to a more vibrant and meaningful existence. Thank you for watching today on your Illuminate pages. If you found these insights helpful, please like, subscribe, and share. For more book summaries and personal development tips, let us know in the comment how the power of now has impacted your life. Join us on our journey to mindfulness and self discovery. Signing off, Maheshwari.